Hello and welcome to Bricks Videos. This is a channel where we answer all your questions related to property buying. Today's video is on the checklist of 10 important things to consider before choosing floor tiles. The flooring of the house is another important aspect which makes the house look more elegant, and that's where floor tile plays a crucial role. There are many different floor tile types available in the market, and it's quite a task for a home buyer to review all the available options before making the final selection. So in today's video, let us quickly go through a quick checklist of 10 important points to consider before choosing floor tiles. The cost of floor tiles varies and depends on several factors like the area covered, design chosen, etc. You can consider using the expensive tiles in selected areas of the home like living and dining areas, which gets maximum visibility. Ensure your pockets run deep for the tiles of those specific areas. The rest of the flooring of the house can use more economical options. Hence, it is important to figure out the cost as well as your budget while choosing floor tile types. Choosing specific tiles for specified areas in the house is very important. For flooring, vitrified tiles are the best bet since they are durable and can withstand heavy traffic. There again, depending upon the area like bathroom, kitchen, living room, outdoors, etc., choose tiles accordingly. Choose tiles with a pattern that complements the wall tiles or your home personality. Don't pick pattern tile flooring when you already have a strong pattern on your walls, since double patterning will end up making a mess of the looks. Choosing a matte or a polished finish is your choice. A glazed tile is easy to clean, and the natural terracotta tile has no glaze and would need a seal to stop staining. Floor tiles are available in different finishes. Stone tiles for exteriors, glossy tiles for interiors, along with other types like glazed, wood, matte, textured finish tiles provide a classy touch to the floor. Just like the design, finish and color, the size of the tiles can also enhance the appearance of the area. Small size tiles ranging between 12 x 12 inches and 16 x 16 inches in size are best suited for areas such as kitchen, bathroom, bedroom and toilets. For small or medium sized apartments, choose tiles with a standard size of 2 x 2 feet for entire home. Picking up tiles with the best suited color is quite a task, but it is always wiser to pick the right color for the right space. For flooring, it is usually advisable to opt for light colors to create an elegant look indoors, while dark color tiles for outdoors is not a bad idea. Some of the options available based on material used are vitrified, glass, cement and mosaic tiles. Sometimes the tiles are broken during the transportation. Also, when you look to change tiles in the future due to any reason, that particular design and pattern might not be available. Hence, always buy a few extra pieces which you can use in the future. It is important to look for the options that are easy to maintain and clean, considering the foot traffic expected in the house. Another important part of the flooring is grout. It is the material used to fill the area between individual tiles on a floor. Bonding the floor tile together, keeping them in place, and preventing the tiles from chipping and cracking are some of the uses of grout. This brings us to the end of this video. We hope we have answered your queries relating to this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and we respond to every comment we receive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share our videos if you like our work, and don't forget to watch our related videos.